Good morning, my lovely grade 7 students. How are you today? I really missed you. Guys, today we will start our new lesson, which is algebraic expressions. In this chapter, we will first define algebraic expressions, and then we will define another concept, a new concept in math, which is monomials. And then we will talk about the simplified writing of algebraic expressions. So let us start by definition. What is an algebraic expression? An algebraic expression is a collection of letters called variables and numbers organized by using the operations plus, minus, times, and divide. So whenever you have this collection of letters and numbers separated by this operation, one of these operation or all of this operation or some of them, you have an algebraic expression. Example, look at this one. It's 3 times x to the power 2. The number is 3. The letter is x. And you have the operation which is multiplication, so it's an algebraic expression. Look at the second one. You have the number 6. You have the letters a and b. And you have the multiplication as operation, so you have an algebraic expression. The third one as well. You have the numbers 3 and 5. You have the letters x and y. And you have the operations times and plus. So it's another algebraic expression. The last one, 4 and 3 as numbers, x and y as letters, and you have divide as operation, and you have also multiplication, so it's algebraic expression. Let us move to the note. In the algebraic expression, 3 times x squared times y plus 5 times x cubed. This is an algebraic expression. 3 times x squared and y, this one, and 5 times x cubed, this one, are the terms of this expression. The word term is so important in our lesson. Why do we consider that 3 times x squared times y is a term and 5 times x cubed is another term? Because whenever you have multiplication, you are in the same term. And once you get addition or subtraction, plus or minus, so you are moving to another term. So what is the operation that separate terms in algebraic expression? The operations are plus and minus, and not multiplication nor divide. So this algebraic expression is formed of 2 terms, the first one and the second one. So 3 times x squared times y is called the first term, and 5 times x cubed is called the second term. So what is monomial? Each term, the term we mentioned before, each term in an algebraic expression is called a monomial. The word monomial is formed of 2 words, mono, which means one, and nomial, which means term. So monomial means one term of algebraic expression. Example, 3 times x squared plus 5 times x is an algebraic expression. 3 times x squared is a monomial because it's one term, and 5 times x is another term, so it's a monomial. So this algebraic expression is formed of 2 monomials, 3 times x squared and 5 times x. A monomial is formed of coefficient and variable. What is a coefficient? What is a variable? In this monomial, the coefficient is 2. So the coefficient is the number multiplied by the letter. So here the number is 2. So the coefficient is 2, and the variable is the letter, which is x. So each monomial is formed of coefficient and variable. Here the coefficient is 2 and the variable is x. Another monomial, minus 5 times x squared times y. The coefficient is, yes, it's minus 5. It's the number multiplied by the variable. And the variable is, or the variable are here because you have 2 letters here. So the variables are x and y. Special cases. The monomial x has 1 as coefficient because maybe someone will consider that x has no coefficient. It's not true because x has 1 as coefficient, but we don't write 1x, so we write it x. The monomial minus x has -1 as coefficient, so minus x is -1 times x, so it has a coefficient which is -1. Is 5 a monomial? If you have a number, 5, 6, 7, -2, any number, do you consider it as monomial? The answer is yes, because every number you can put beside the number any letter, any variable to the power 0, and you know that every number to the power 0 will be equal to 1. So 5 times 1, it's 5. So any number is a monomial. Finally, we will talk about the simplified writing. A times B will be written as AB. So when you have multiplication between the letters, you can write the letter without any operation. So when you see AB, it means A times B. X times Y will be XY. Second, if you have A plus A plus A plus A plus A n terms, so you add A to itself n times, so you write NA. It's n times A, which means NA. Example, Y plus Y, it's 2y, because y plus y 2 times, it's 2y. X plus X plus X, it's 3x, 3 times, because C plus C plus C plus C, 4 times, so it's 4C. Examples, the monomial 2 times x cubed is written 2x cubed. Minus half x times x squared y is written minus half x squared y without any multiplication. The monomial 1 times a is written a. The monomial minus 1 times a is written minus a. So you eliminate multiplication. The algebraic expression minus 2 times x squared plus 3 times x is written minus 2x squared without any multiplication plus 3x. Thank you guys for your watching. See you as soon as possible. Bye.